Hi guys, this is a call for testing. Could you go to the nseed host EU ArcoLinux AAG? So the seed host server, and these are new ISOs. We are on a crossroads. Do we include XF86 video drivers on the ISO or not? We have two possibilities, yes or no. These guys here is let's not include them anymore. We've made Carly 12, you've seen the videos. We've made ALCI, another project, and they don't use the drivers. It's not because we've decided 5 years ago to add them that we can't decide now to remove them. But that's entirely, well, we need your feedback. We've tested on our machines, core members and beta testers, and it works. The question is, will this work for the community? So that's the question. Could you please download these guys, only the core ISOs, and install them on real metal? Of course they will work on VMware and VirtualBox and so on, because the driver is there. Let me get now a little bit technical. If you're not interested, you can zap away. But basically what we did, this is the new list, right? The new ISO is this one, and that's the old ISO with the drivers. If we save the link, and what did I download? The D, okay, then I'll, oops, nope, that's not the idea, cancel. And then I'll download the other guy, package list, this guy, and I'll compare these two. That's the way to do the work, right? Just compare. So what's the difference between these two ISOs that have been built today? They're exactly the same, but let's compare. And then everything becomes clear. This is a dependency of, right? Mr. Utils is out. That's not on the new ISO anymore. And all the guys, these guys, the green guys, are out. There is no, well, you can read, none of those guys are on the ISO. We keep what are dependencies and what we think are is important, like video VMware is there because of VirtualBox. So that will work. So don't test on a virtual machine. Lip input works, and Hello Graphics is for touchscreen, right? So test if you got time and give us feedback. Is this the good decision to go forward? Because this we will decide what to do for the next months, years, and we'd like to have your feedback. So please, if you got some time, beta test the ISOs that are there and tell us any way you see fit. Okay, everything is fine without those drivers on it for me. I can boot up, because that's the thing. If you can boot up, then it's up to Calamaris maybe to install some more stuff. But it is, well, you need to be able to boot up. Black screen doesn't help you. What you'll see as well is a little bit change in text without XF86 video drivers. It will say that, and it will say NVIDIA, and it will say no mode set. If you're on BIOS or UEFI, that's what it will say. 3 choices, not 5 anymore, but 3, because of the missing video drivers that we don't include anymore on the ISO. Again, please help us. It's a crossroads. It's important for us to get this feedback. So go ahead, green light, go. We can boot, and all is good. Cheers.